Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about cash advances. Specifically, how to approach getting one using your Lowe's credit card. It's a common question, and understanding the process is really important. Let's dive into the details. First, it is crucial to understand that most Lowe's credit cards are store-specific. These are typically issued by Synchrony Bank. These store cards are designed for purchases made at Lowe's stores or on Lowes.com. They usually do not offer cash advance features. You should carefully review your cardholder agreement. This document will outline all the features of your specific card. Look for any mention of a cash advance limit or terms. In most cases, for a standard Lowe's store credit card, you will not find an option for a cash advance. This is a key point to remember. However, some store brands might, in certain instances, offer a general-purpose credit card. This would be a card with a Visa or Mastercard logo, for example. If your Lowe's branded card happens to be a Visa or Mastercard, then it might have a cash advance feature. This is less common for Lowe's specifically, but it's worth checking your card. If your card does have a cash advance option, the process generally works like this. You will need a personal identification number, or PIN. This PIN is often different from the one you use for debit card purchases. You might need to request this PIN directly from the card issuer, such as Synchrony Bank. Once you have your PIN, you can visit an ATM. Make sure the ATM displays the logo of your card network, like Visa or Mastercard. Insert your card and follow the on-screen prompts. You will typically select an option like cash advance or withdrawal from credit. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Always be mindful of your available cash advance limit. Confirm the transaction, and then take your cash and receipt. Another option, if your card allows it, might be to visit a bank branch. Present your credit card and a valid ID to the teller. Request the cash advance there. Now, let's talk about the significant costs involved. Cash advances are generally very expensive. There is almost always a cash advance fee. This fee is usually a percentage of the amount you withdraw, often between 3 to 5%, or a flat minimum fee, whichever is greater. For example, if you take out $100, you might pay a $5 fee immediately. Even more importantly, interest starts accruing on a cash advance immediately. There is no grace period for cash advances, unlike with regular purchases. The interest rate, or APR, for cash advances is also frequently higher than the APR for standard purchases. Taking a cash advance can also impact your credit utilization, potentially lowering your credit score. Because of these high costs, cash advances should generally be considered a last resort. Explore other options first, such as an emergency fund, a personal loan, or even borrowing from trusted friends or family, if possible. Always prioritize understanding the full financial implications before proceeding. So, while a cash advance on a standard Lowe's store card is unlikely, understanding the general process and the high costs associated with cash advances on any credit card is incredibly important. Always check your specific card agreement for the most accurate information. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful financial tips and advice. We appreciate your